Hi, let us feed our fish here. This is my small aquaponic. My fish tank with maybe 30 or 40 red tilapia. And here is my grow bed. I planted bok choy or pechay, hot pepper, eggplant, mature fruit in it. Eggplant. So you can see the bell siphon here. 3 bell siphon. The other one, the 2 in there. The piping. So the transfer the water from this grow bed and then back to the fish tank. So let's see the siphoning. And the water hits this level on the grow bed. The siphon will suck the water downward. So the waste from the here it is, the siphoning. So waste from the fish and the decaying feeds from the fish tank. So it forms an ammonia and very harmful to the fish. So we need to clean it up. So there's the water pump, submersible water pump. So this is siphon. I'm using a media field technique and NFT, nutrient film technique. Media field grow bed with gravel there. So I have harvested some of my plants already and I put some seeds. So this is a 1 week seedling. Yeah, 1 week old seedling. It's a red tilapia. It's not a goldfish, it's a red tilapia. So my fish tank is, I think, 3 feet high. The height is 3 feet and the dimension is 2 by 6 feet. I have 3 progress. So this is my aquaponic built in the side of our house. So watch out for my next video, the progress of my aquaponic system. Thank you.